Hey, Motorman here for tip of the week. Now this is an advanced exercise that I'm going to show you. I'm going to call it the offset cone weave stop and go. So I'm going to go through the cone weave. As I go through each of the gates, I'm going to bring the bike to a complete stop without putting my feet down. And as soon as the bike starts to fall over, I'm going to take off. It's advanced. Don't try this if you don't have a really good handle on the clutch and throttle and rear brake. Watch closely now. I'll go through the gate. As soon as the bike completes the turn, I'll stop. I'll straighten the bike up. As it starts to fall, I'm going to let my clutch out and let that bike go. Watch carefully. Once again, this is an advanced exercise. Don't try this until you've got a real good handle on working that clutch and throttle. If you like these tips that I give you each week, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to get yourself a copy of the Ride Like a Pro video, 2 hours long for $20 mailed to your door, ridelikeapro.com. Until next time.